Hello, guys. Welcome to the show. Let's kill that a little bit. We got a little too much echo there. Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How does that sound? A little bit. Hello. Hello. Test. 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 How's everybody doing today? Let's kill that recording. We don't want that. There we go. Set studio effects. That sounds a lot better, maybe. All right, now it's working. Okay, that's good. All right. I hear sound. It's a little delayed today. All right, now it's working. Okay. I need something to put the cup down so it doesn't clank all the time, you know? What about like those things there? They don't work too good. I don't think they don't fit most cups. Coaster? Yeah, one made out of cork maybe or something? Because even this is makes noise when it hits the table. Do something soft. Something soft. I don't know. Where's those rubber pads? Those little round for opening jars? We're still in recovery mode. Hello. How you doing? Good morning, good evening, wherever you're tuning in from. It's 9:39 a.m. here in the Philippines. Oh, that's pretty cool. Ah, thank you. Got a coaster for my cup of coffee so it doesn't make too much noise on this table. Hi guys, welcome to the show. Today's an open mic show. Sorry about that. Open mic. So we talk about whatever you want to talk about today. First things first, please introduce yourself and tell us where you're tuning in from at least. What country, what city, what state? Will always love you.
I love you.
We get a lot of people here with loud motorcycles and loud vehicles. So from time to time, I might have to mute the microphone. And they like to beep a lot. I don't know why. And beep beep as they go by. They say hello. The Philippines is unique. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Hello. Hello, hello. Thanks for tuning. Thanks for tuning in. Let us know in the chat where you're from. Are you in the Philippines? Are you in the USA? Where are you from? hello, hello. Thanks for tuning in. Where are you from? Say hello, say good morning. Type something down there on the bottom. Somewhere on the bottom down there, there's a thing you type. Hello, hello. We are originally from Florida in the USA, and we are now live in the Philippines, enjoying early retirement. Any questions, just let us know. Today's an open mic. We will try to talk about whatever you want to talk about. Any questions? Anything about the news you want to talk about? Current events? Have you tried Filipino food? Have you tried other foods from around the world? What's your opinion? We want to know. Come on, guys, do something. Chat, 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 chat. Let us know where you're tuning in from, if you don't mind, please. Say hello, say good morning, say good night, say something. Let us know you're here and that you're live. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good evening. Where are you tuning in from? Let us know in the chat, please. Please type on the bottom there. If you have a phone or computer, there's a little bar on the bottom. Give us a thumbs up, please. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. We have some great things coming your way. Testing, testing. Can you hear me? Hello. Tapping noise. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Where are you tuning in from? Tap on the bottom there in that screen there and send us a message. Let us know where you're tuning in from, if you don't mind. Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. That sounds a lot better without the noise reduction on. That's pretty cool. Huh. Sounds much better. It's not crackling anymore. Oh. Hello. Hello. Where are you tuning in from? Please type on the bottom of the screen, say hello, good morning, or good evening. What country are you in? Are you in the U.S.? Are you in the Philippines? Or are you in another country? Today is an open mic, so we talk about what you want to talk about. Let us know in the chat. You want to talk about news, current events, what kind of food you enjoy? Do you have any pets? We have 1 cat, 1 dog. How about you? Cornmeal. Camille's got cornmeal, says hon. Camille's selling cornmeal now. Cornmeal. 80 kilos. That's a big bag. Cornmeal? No corn muffins? Cornmeal? Yeah, don't they usually spread it on the bottom of the pizza before it goes in the oven, some cornmeal, so it doesn't stick, right? Ah. Wow, look at these big eggplants. Hello. Hello. Thank you for the happy faces. Hello and good morning to you. Today is an open mic day, so we talk about what you want to talk about. So just let us know down there in the chat. Or even just say hello. How are you? Hello, 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 hello. Please type on the bottom. Let us know where you're tuning in from. Say hello. Say good morning, good evening, good afternoon. All right, guys. This is an open mic show, so whatever you want to talk about, just let us know there, please. Thanks for joining us live from the studio. How are you doing today? If you could introduce yourself, type on the bottom of the screen there, say hello. Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Where are you tuning in from? We're live in the studio. If you have anything you want to talk about, this is called an open mic day. We talk about what you want to talk about, current events, news. Just let us know. Chat there down on the bottom. Say hello. Introduce yourself and where are you tuning in from? Hello, folks. You're live in the studio today. This is an open mic. So chat in the bottom. Let us know what you want to talk about. Let us know where you're from, where you're tuning in from. Let us know if you're in the U.S., if you're tuning in from the Philippines or some other beautiful country out there. Just let us know. Let's talk about what would you want to talk about. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Where are you tuning in from? It's 10:10 a.m. here. We're having a little bit of breakfast. Why don't you join us? Type on the bottom of the screen there. Let us know where you're tuning in from. What do you want to talk about? Today's an open mic. We talk about what you want to talk about. This morning we got some chicken fried rice. It's masarap. Hello, 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 hello. Live from the studio. Let's take that music down a little bit just in case YouTube might freak out. Where are you tuning in from? Chat on the bottom, introduce yourself, say hello, good morning, good evening. Oh, that was a good song back in the day. Quarter Flash. That was a really good song. Heart in my heart. You're not going to sit here?
Yeah, I'm sitting.
Sit down. Can't find you. You're too far. Come over here. Sit down here.
Why?
So we can be on together. You're just too far away. I don't know if I can put it in or what. Don't fall down. It's not gonna work, I don't think.
good the way it is before.
There you are. Get too many wires and stuff. My goodness. There we go. Coffee? No? Must need a bigger table. Good morning, guys. Where are you tuning in from? Say hello. I'm Edward, and this is, what's your name, miss?
I'm Nita.
Hello, Nita. How are you? Welcome to the studio. What brings you to the studio today?
Having a fried rice with vegetables.
Did you make it?
Of course.
Oh, how did you make? What's in there anyway? I don't know. Is it corn, peas,
Carrots,
onion,
scallion, chicken.
scallion too? I don't see any scallion. I see onion.
Here, right here,
That's a pea.
the white one I chopped small for the
Oh, looks good. Tastes good.
eggs,
Delicious.
chicken,
Ooh,
onion, garlic.
it's my favorite. It's masarap. Mmm. Even in the U.S., you started making it for me. I loved it. You know, the chicken fried rice. Remember the last time I filmed you making it in the kitchen in Pasadena?
Mm.
Mmm. It's good.
You should eat vegetables.
All the time. Mm. We should have put some seaweed in here. You know? No?
Let me put some seaweed, the seaweed is crumbs.
How was that? Maybe your phone?
It's my phone.
What's some kind of noise?
It's fine.
What's some kind of maybe it's my fault. I don't know. Mm.
I have to cover my hair.
Cover your hair. Oh, your hair's fine? I don't know why we're getting popping noises like that. I don't know where that's coming from, the noise. Here, pop, 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 pop. Oh, this is really good. It's delicious. Mm. Hello, hello, hello. Where are you tuning in from today? We are live in the Philippines. That's Nita. I'm Edward. We're in the studio today having some breakfast. It's about 10:20 a.m. our time. Friday. Might be Thursday where you're tuning in from, but it's already Friday here in the Philippines. We're having some chicken fried rice. Mmm, delicious. Mmm, mmm, mmm. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Hello. Type in the chat. Let us know where you're tuning in from. What country are you watching from? Say hello.
Maybe they're from Thailand.
Most of our audience on YouTube is like 50-50 US, Philippines, and geez, spitting food. And some in Brazil, I believe it was. I can't remember. Yeah, this is delicious with the veggies.
I just like the vegetable with the butter.
Mm.
I'm going to come in and still have to eat vegetables just.
Mm. This is so good. My God. Mm. If you guys have any questions, just let us know. Maybe we can help answer for you. Whether it be here from the Philippines or from the US. What do you think about the current events? What's going on in the news? I think like 30 people died at the DNC convention or something like that outside. The rioters and at the Democratic convention in the US. I think they're in Michigan or something, Detroit, or is it Chicago? I think Chicago maybe. I don't watch that much news anymore, I gotta be honest. News will just drive you crazy after a while. Especially when it's just one-sided all the time, you know? Mm. Have some more?
No, there's some more there. You want more coffee?
Coffee, yeah.
You want some more coffee?
You want some?
No,
Drink the
you.
rest.
You want me to make more?
I can get it. I'll get some more.
No, I don't want coffee. You don't need drinking coffee.
Sometimes, you used to.
I tried, but I quit that thing because
Does it give you a stomach ache or something?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, you might have lactose or something, right? Because it's got cream or something in there, right?
I'm lactose intolerant. But
No, but you eat ice cream, that's it.
yeah, after that,
Yeah.
I've
Stomach
tried.
ache?
I just tried because I need a dairy product.
Gotta bring that one down so they can hear you. That's delicious. Hello, hello, hello. Thanks for joining us for breakfast here. It's about 10:30 a.m. in the Philippines where we're located. Where are you tuning in from? My name is Ed. This is
Nita,
Nita.
a lot of people they call me Lola.
The screen's not wide enough. My head's too fat.
Look at this.
That's the morning. We just woke up not too long ago. Hello. What are you doing? What are you pointing to? Huh?
The other one I
Want some more?
No, there's some more there.
Can't take my eyes off of you. What? Good song, huh?
When you do things right, and then take few second, 1 second before they.
Yeah, it's like a 60-second delay.
Yes.
Let's pull that mug down. All three of them are working. You gotta go.
Keep watching.
Say hello.
Hello, everybody. Keep watching. Help us to build up our
YouTube channel.
YouTube
Make sure
channel.
you subscribe today. Subscribe, like, share if you can.
Yes.
Share it with your friends. We have a lot of music on our YouTube shorts. If you know anybody who loves music, who doesn't love music? I love music. I love all kinds of music. Everything from 80s, country, rock and roll, a little bit of everything. So join our channel today. Help support us on YouTube. Gotta watch. I'm gonna make some coffee.
I'll be back. I'll make your coffee. You sit down.
Maybe some grape juice. Hello! Can you hear us okay? It's about 10:30 a.m. in the Philippines where we're located at. We're in our home studio. Hope you hit that button, subscribe. Try to watch some of our videos. We have a lot of touring videos, our trip over here from Florida and everything. So tune in. We have a lot of music shorts. We have a lot of different things on YouTube. We're going to try to do a morning show here. Well, morning for us, evening probably for you, depending where you're tuning in from. But join us for breakfast and coffee each morning for us, or each evening for you. Wow. A lot of sparks. A lot of tapping noises. Sounds like the phone. Today we're eating chicken fried rice. It's delicious. Or as they say in the Philippines, it's masarap. Right?
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us for breakfast today. Can you hear us okay? You can chat in the bottom, say hello, good morning, or good evening, where you're tuning in from. Thank you for joining us for our breakfast today in the Philippines. Today Nita made us some chicken fried rice with veggies. It's very good. Masarap. Delicious. Wow. It's one thing we have in the Philippines is a lot of loud motorcycles. Even some cars and trucks with like no muffler on, very loud. another thing our friend from New Media Pampangas are talking about is all the trash. What are they supposed to do with all this trash, whether it be here or in the U.S.? The Philippines, they don't have recycling and stuff like the U.S. It's very strict in the U.S. Here in the Philippines, they just throw anywhere sometimes. And then sometimes they'll just burn it outside.
They throw in the field.
In the field and burn it, right?
Yeah.
With the weeds and all that stuff. Say hello, Nita.
Hello.
Hello.
Here's your coffee.
Oh, coffee. Is it hot or warm?
Warm.
Good? Warm?
Yeah, go.
Perfect. Come on, sit down. Thank you for joining us for breakfast today. Nita made us chicken fried rice with mixed vegetables. Let us know where you're tuning in from if you can. Type on the bottom, say good morning or good evening, depending where you're from. And tell us, where are you from? Are you in the U.S.? Are you in the Philippines? Say hello. Today is what's called an open mic day. We talk about whatever we want to talk about. But we're live in the studio in the Philippines today. We're in Porac, Pampanga, which is, where is that? Island of Luzon. Central Luzon? Yeah. They say here, the food is masarap, especially here in Pampanga. Oh my God, the food's delicious. I think they're gonna make a law, or they made a law already. I think Pampanga is the food capital of the Philippines. Yes. The best cooks in the world. Oh wow, it's delicious. Yeah, there's some things I won't eat, but like to eat these eggs. What they call balut?
Yeah.
It's like a fermented egg. Not for me. And then they eat some kind of stinky fish. I don't know what it is, but
Dry fish.
dry fish. My God, try cooking that in the microwave. Smells like somebody died. I don't know how I can eat that. If it smells bad, I'm not even gonna eat it. I don't even want to try it. They say it tastes delicious.
Yeah, it's fermented sauce. It's good.
I don't know. I don't know. Some countries, they eat all kinds of crazy stuff, Some countries, they eat crickets, they eat worms. My goodness, not for me. I'll eat this kind of stuff, chicken fried rice with veggies and stuff like that. It's what they call masarap. Very good. So good. Just like a lot of countries, they have instant coffee here too, but it's already pre-mixed with sugar and cream. This one's Nescafe. Very good. They sell a lot of U.S. brands here too. Like we can get Maxwell House, I believe, Taster's Choice, that kind of stuff. But then they have a lot of other instant ones come in a little pack. What's the other one called, hon? Copico? Copico. I don't care for that one too much anymore. It gives me an upset stomach. Well, this Nescafe is really good right now. Thank you for joining us for breakfast here in the Philippines. Introduce yourself. Go to the bottom of the screen, say hello, good morning. At least let us know where you're tuning in from. Are you in the U.S.? Are you in Philippines? Say hi. Thanks for joining us for breakfast. Actually, that's one of the customs here in the Philippines, right, honey?
Yeah.
If you visit somebody's house or something like that, most likely they're gonna feed you. Some people bring something along, like a little Danish or a bun. What they call here, pandesal. Some people bring that.
Hot roll.
What is it called? Hot roll?
Yeah, pandesal.
Pandesal is a hot roll, fresh from the bakeries here. Do we have any of those to show or no?
Yeah.
Do we have any more left? Can you heat it up a little bit?
You want me to put it in the table?
Can you heat it up a little bit and then on a plate so I can show the people? Oh boy, this chicken fried rice with vegetables is masarap. Delicious. Plus I'm lucky, I'm blessed to have a wife that cooks so good. My God. Uh-oh. Here, honey, can you finish this for me?
Even though you don't need the butter, just this bread, they're tasty.
Look at this, guys. Pandesal from the Philippines. Little dough ball.
Like in the Philippines state, they call
Dinner roll, right?
dinner roll.
But this is a morning treat. It's got maybe a little bit of cinnamon or something on it. It's a sweet roll. It's delicious. Look at that. My God. They make fresh every morning. Actually, all day. Some of the bakeries are baking all day long. My God. Doesn't need any butter or anything. Just a cup of coffee and this. It's fine. Another thing they eat in the morning here in the Philippines is something called what? Tocino? Tocino with egg and rice. Garlic rice.
Yeah, or like those tocino, those sausage.
Oh yeah.
Longanisa.
Longanisa.
Yeah, chorizo. They call it chorizo.
It's like a small sausage link. Something like that. So good. Hello. Type at the bottom of the screen there. Let us know where you're from. Say hello, good morning or something. Might be good evening where you're from. Right now it's about 10:39 a.m. here in the Philippines on Friday. Masarap. Delicious. A little roll and some coffee. That's so good. You gonna eat some, huh?
I have one here.
Oh, you have one? Has anybody seen that new movie yet? What's it called? The Alien series? Alien Romulus? Has anybody seen it yet? Did you like it? I've heard mixed reviews. haven't seen it yet. Delicious Nescafe coffee. It's good.
Now you are advertising the coffee.
Yeah. Anybody from Nescafe watching, get in contact with us. Send us an email. We'll be glad to work something out. Advertising your delicious Masarap coffee. If you're a bakery or something like that and you want us to sponsor you, send us some pandesal or some rolls. You're more than welcome to share them with the audience. Oh, so good. What's in these, what's in the pandesal?
Flour.
Yeah, but
Flour, sesame, of course they're using baking soda. Baking powder. And then they use a breadcrumb.
and something green too, right?
That's malunggay.
Ah, malunggay. Delicious. My goodness. Hey, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We got some exciting things, especially if you're from the Philippines. My God, we got some surprise raffle tickets that we're going to be giving away. I think you can win up to 8.5 million pesos, Philippine pesos. Most likely a smaller prize, or maybe nothing at all, but at least you win a chance, right? How often do you do that? What other YouTube channel does that?
When is the raffle?
It's in September, September 20 something. Let me take a look. Let's see if it comes up. Yeah, September 22nd. You can watch live on Facebook. We give you your winning number. It's like a raffle number. If you're local enough to Kapampangan, we'll deliver it personally to you. If you're somewhere else, we'll take a picture of it and send it to you. We're just going to need some information like your name and contact number just in case they pick your winning ticket. They need to be able to contact you and let you know about it. The best part is you get to watch it live on Facebook, them physically drawing the tickets, the numbers, out of a big barrel. And there's a lot of other prizes. I mean, I can't remember how many prizes there is. There's so many. So many. Maybe you win only 1,000 pesos. I don't know. Maybe you win 8.5 million or somewhere in between. Maybe 1 million. Okay? But you have to be subscribed to this channel. You can even like us on Facebook, the Kapampangan Experience. At least there we have Messenger. You can chat with us live at any time, any questions, that kind of thing. We're going to be doing some kind of trivia or something like that to give the tickets away soon, probably next week. So make sure you stay tuned. Hit that little bell icon and make sure you click all. You want to get all updates every time we're live or something like that. You don't want to miss this one. And we're going to pick probably, if it's a trivia question or something like that, might be 10 people. The first 10 people to answer the question are going to win a raffle ticket. And if you're from the Philippines, 8.5 million is the top prize. Who knows? Maybe you win only 1,000 pesos. Maybe nothing, but at least you try, right? At least you win a ticket. We might pick 10 people to answer, the first 10 people to answer trivia question or something like that first. Might be you. But you have to be subscribed. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell icon, that change it to all, so you get all updates whenever we're live. According to the raffle people, it's season 10. Yeah, it says up to 8.5 million top prize. There's 2 winners of 1.5 million pesos. They're going to pick 3 winners of 1 million pesos. Looks like 5 winners of 500,000. That's a half a million pesos. Just for tuning into this show, man, I wish there was more shows like that. Make sure you hit subscribe. You got to be a subscriber to win raffle tickets. So, and the drawing is what, September 22nd, live on Facebook. So, if you're in the Philippines, great. I'm not sure what the exchange rate is from Philippine pesos to wherever you're from, but you're still welcome to win. Or maybe you have a family member here in the Philippines. Today's an open mic day, so whatever you want to talk about, just click on the bottom of the screen there, the chat. Let us know where you're from. Say hello, good morning, good evening. Joe posted on Facebook. He said, I choked on a carrot this afternoon, and all I could think was, I bet a donut wouldn't have done this to me. Donuts are safer than carrots, huh? Joe, yeah. Make sure you tell all your friends. Please share this live with all your friends, because maybe they'll win some money here in the Philippines with the raffle. Just make sure you tune in, subscribe, be a subscriber, and then hit that bell icon and change it to all, because you don't want to miss out. Whenever we give away prizes, you want to be here live with us. Thank you for joining us for breakfast here in the Philippines. Pandesal. A must-have here in the Philippines. Masarap. Delicious. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button on top. You can't win unless you're a subscriber. Hit the bell icon so you get all, change it to all so you get all the messages whenever we're online, okay?
Thank you and have a great day. Thanks for tuning in today. We've been online live for 82 minutes, it looks like. Almost 83 minutes. Have a great day. God bless you. Make sure you subscribe and share this live or recording at your time, whenever you see it. Share it with all your friends and family, especially the ones here in the Philippines. Let's get you a raffle ticket. Tune in for more. Thank you.